Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn English through a deep and meaningful story. Watching videos like this is a powerful way to learn English. You can listen to simple sentences, understand ideas clearly, and improve your speaking step by step. When you listen every day, your confidence grows. Your mind becomes familiar with the language. So relax, listen slowly, and enjoy this story. This is a story about a young man named Ryan. Ryan was open, friendly, and very talkative. He believed that being honest meant sharing everything. He told people about his dreams, his problems, his money, his fears, and even his secrets. At first, everything seemed fine. People smiled, people listened, people acted like they cared. But slowly, things started to change. Some people began to judge him. Some people laughed at him quietly. Some people used his words against him. Some people became jealous of his plans. Ryan did not understand. He asked himself, why are people changing? He felt hurt. He felt confused. He felt alone. One evening, Ryan went for a walk. He met an old teacher sitting under a tree. The teacher looked calm and peaceful. Ryan sat down and shared his story. The teacher listened quietly and then said, Ryan, you are not wrong for being kind, but you are not wise in what you share. Not everything in your life should be spoken. Ryan looked surprised. The teacher continued, words are powerful. When you speak, you give a part of your life to others, so you must choose carefully. Ryan asked, then what should I not tell others? The teacher smiled and said, let me explain slowly. Listen carefully. 1. Do not tell everyone your big dreams. Dreams are like seeds, the teacher said. If you show them too early, people may step on them. Some people will not believe in you. Some may laugh. Some may discourage you. When Ryan told people about his dream, many said, that is too big. You cannot do that. Those words made him weak. The teacher said, work in silence. Let your success make the noise. Ryan understood this deeply. 2. Do not tell everyone your personal problems. When you share your problems with the wrong people, you give them power, the teacher explained. Some people do not care. Some pretend to care. Some enjoy your pain. Ryan remembered how some people listened to him, but later talked about him behind his back. The teacher said, share your pain only with people who truly care about you. Ryan learned to choose wisely. 3. Do not talk openly about your money. Money creates emotion, the teacher said. If people know your income, they may feel jealous or judge you. Ryan had once shared his earnings proudly. Later, he noticed people treating him differently. The teacher said, keep your financial life private. Peace is more important than attention. 4. Do not show your weaknesses to everyone. Everyone has weaknesses, the teacher said, but not everyone will protect you. Some people may use your weaknesses to control you or hurt you. Ryan realized that some people had used his fears to make fun of him. The teacher said, work on your weaknesses quietly. Turn them into strength. 5. Do not tell everyone about your good actions. When you do good, do it silently, the teacher said. If you tell everyone, it loses its value. Ryan remembered how he used to talk about helping others. The teacher smiled and said, true goodness does not need an audience. Do not share family matters outside. Family is private, the teacher said. When you share family problems outside, you invite more trouble. Ryan had once shared family issues with friends, and it created more tension. The teacher said, protect your family with silence. 7. Do not share your secrets easily. A secret is safe only when it is with you, the teacher said. Ryan had trusted someone with a secret. Later, everyone knew it. He felt hurt and embarrassed. The teacher said, "Not everyone who smiles at you is your friend." 8. Do not share everything online. Today, people share everything on social media, the teacher said. But not everyone who watches you wants the best for you. Ryan used to post everything about his life. The teacher said, "Live your life more than you show it." 9. Do not tell your next move. If people know your plans, they may block you, the teacher said. They may compete with you or try to stop you. Ryan understood why some of his plans failed. The teacher said, "Move quietly. Let results speak." Do not share your fears with everyone. Fear is a part of life, the teacher said, but not everyone will understand your heart. Some people may make you feel smaller. The teacher said, "Face your fears with courage. Share them only with those who support you." Final story. Part Ryan sat silently. His mind was full of thoughts. He realized that his problem was not people. His problem was sharing too much with the wrong people. From that day, Ryan changed. He spoke less. He observed more. He trusted slowly. He acted quietly. Months later, his life became peaceful. People respected him more. He felt stronger inside. One day he met the teacher again and said, "You changed my life." The teacher smiled and said, "No, you changed your life by learning when to speak and when to stay silent." Ryan smiled and said, "Yes, now I understand. Silence is power." Final message, dear friends. Not everything needs to be shared. Your life is precious. Your thoughts are powerful. Your silence is your protection. Speak wisely. Trust carefully. Live peacefully. And remember, watching simple English stories like this will help you learn English naturally. Listen daily. Practice daily. Improve daily. Thank you.